In a world where the thrill of adventure meets the open road, Kingfisher Overland emerges as a beacon for those who crave more from their vehicles. Born from over 40 years of engineering expertise and a passion for adventure, we've crafted a vehicle that's not just built to drive, but engineered to conquer. The Kingfisher Overlander embodies this spirit, combining the rugged simplicity of off-road capability with the practicality needed for racing and daily commuting. Built on the iconic VW Beetle standard chassis, the Overlander excels in any environment. Whether tearing through the city, dominating the racetrack, or navigating rough terrains, it's designed for those who seek more from their journeys. Our modular design empowers customers to personalize their vehicles, whether they're off-road enthusiasts, weekend racers, or simply crave the freedom of the open road. Offering customizable kits for all experience levels, we provide flexibility for both seasoned builders and first-time enthusiasts to create a vehicle that reflects their unique style. With self-build kits starting from $7,500 and fully customized builds from $34,000, we provide options for those who value both engineering and the joy of driving. Whether you're assembling your own vehicle or driving away with a fully customized, ready-to-go model, Kingfisher Overland brings versatility and adventure to every journey. By forging strong connections with enthusiasts and fostering innovation, Kingfisher Overland is set to inspire a new wave of automotive passion. Join us in this journey. Together, we'll redefine how the world is explored.